Hi everybody, this is Sharon from the Waldport Public Library coming to you with a baby story time take and make. And today we're going to do a great nursery rhyme that some of you really love. First off, I'm going to do the nursery rhyme and then I'm going to show you how you can get to have this too. Okay, hang on. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Is that fun? Let's do it again. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! So that's fun, isn't it? Now, guess what? You get to have one of these kits too. You come to the drive-thru and they'll give you a little box like this. Little bag, it has a box in it. I'll show you what it comes with. Okay? You'll get a CD case it's a used CD case, but it has been cleaned and ready for you. Now, the next thing you'll get 4 sticks, yes, and you'll get 4 little pieces of black felt. I'll explain that to you in a minute. You'll get a piece of a square of felt, and you get these pictures to color. Okay, and to cut out. Your kids can help color them or you can color them for them. Now, see, here's my case for mine. These are for traveling. They get to go with you when you go places. You can stick them in your diaper bag or in your purse or keep them in the car. And your pieces go inside like this. Now you might wonder what that little felt piece was about. Like this. If you didn't want to use the sticks, you could set it on your backdrop. Just like a little felt board. Okay, let's do our song one more time, okay? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Yay! There's going to be at least 3 more nursery rhyme take and makes in the next few weeks. So come to the 355 Northwest Alder Street drive-thru window to pick them up. Make sure to sign up and register for the reading program if you haven't, and you'll probably end up taking away a free book too when you get here. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Stay safe.